Today I will be rating the newest Minecraft update 1.21.6 Chase the Skies, or in Bedrock Edition 1.21.90. First up, we have the Happy Ghast. There are many types of colors of harnesses to put on the Happy Ghast. To undry a dried ghast, you soak it in water. You can leash multiple boats to the Happy Ghast, but the hitboxes for the boats below are kind of wonky. I'm going to give it an A tier because it's a bit slow. Next up, we have the saddle. They finally added a crafting recipe for the saddle, which is quite simple. Because it is the most useful thing I could think of in this new update, I'm going to give it S tier. Now it's the locator bar. It's not very good because it removes the XP bar. Luckily, I found a resource pack to change that. Because it removes the XP bar, I'm going to put it at D tier. Next up, we have the new music disc called Tears. The music disc is obtained by killing a ghast by a player deflected ghast fireball. In my opinion, the music sounds a bit weird, but still it's decent. The next thing we have is the new languages they added. They added Old Spelling Indonesian and added Cantabrian. Because it's useful, I'm going to give it an S tier. Our last one is the new launcher and loading screen. This is the launcher screen, and this is the loading screen. It looks decent, so I'm going to give it an A tier. Thanks for watching, guys.